Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we want to find the value of x. Given that you have x to the power of 3 minus x squared equals 100, then let's have it to be solution. So from here we have x to the power of 3 minus x squared equals 100. Then from here, let's take this 100 here. So we have x to the power of 3 minus x squared minus 100. Then we have this side to be equals 0. So from here we have x to the power of 3 minus x squared. From here we can have 125 minus 25. From here 125 minus 25 will give us 100. So when we open the parentheses with minus, we are going to have minus 100 back, and this side equals 0. Then from here we have x to the power of 3 minus x squared. Open the parentheses, here will be minus 125. Here will be plus 25 equals 0. How do we get plus 25? Because of this minus. Now from here, we have x to the power of 3 minus x squared. Let's have 125 in base 5 as 5 to the power of 3. Here will be plus 5 squared equals 0. 5 squared simply means 5 times 5 will give us 25. 5 to the power of 3 simply means 5 times 5 times 5 will give us 125. Then let's regroup the expression. So we are going to have x to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3. Then minus x squared plus 5 to the power of 2 equals 0. Let's put them in parentheses. Here will now be x to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3 as this. Minus, here will be x squared. Here will be minus 5 squared equals 0. When you open the parentheses with minus, minus times minus will be plus. So we have to recall from algebraic expression difference of 2 cube and difference of 2 square. Difference of 2 cube is a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals as a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Then difference of 2 square, a square minus b square equals a minus b times a plus b, all in parentheses. Now making the comparison of this, we have our a to be equals x, then our b equals 5. So we are going to have this as x minus 5 times here x squared plus 5x plus 5 squared for this. Then minus x minus 5 times x plus 5, then all equals 0. Now x minus 5 is common. We can factor it out to be x minus 5. Open parenthesis, this divided by this will be x squared plus 5x plus 25. Then minus, open parenthesis, x plus 5 equals 0. So we have x minus 5. Here will be x squared plus 5x plus 25 minus x minus 5 equals 0. We have x minus 5. Here will be x squared 5x minus x here will be plus 4x. 25 minus 5 here will be plus 20 equals 0. So from here it is clear that it's either we have x minus 5 equals 0, or we have x squared plus 4x plus 20 equals 0. And from this side we have x to be equals 5. Then from this side we have a to be equals 1, b equals 4, c equals 20. So we have x minus b, positive or negative, root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. We have x here will be minus 1, positive or negative, sorry, minus 4, positive or negative, root of 4 squared minus 4 times a is, then times 20 over 2. So we have x minus 4, positive or negative, here will be 16, here will be minus 80 over 2. X minus 4, positive or negative, when we have 16 over minus 20 minus 40 minus 80, root of minus 64 over 2. So x minus 4, positive or negative, 64 times root of minus 1 over 2. So here will be x minus 4, positive or negative. 64 is a perfect square. We have it as 8 to the power of 2 times root of minus 1 is I over 2. X minus 4, positive or negative. This will be, cancel out this, we have 8I over 2. When minus 4 divided by 2, we have minus 2, positive or negative. This will be 4i.